All right, guys, we're back here with another track day. We're here with SCCA, and we got the Camaro here. We got some big upgrades. So now we got some, I'll let this Miata make some noise. They're starting their first track. They're starting their first track race. All right, so we got some big upgrades on the car. So upgrades this time around, some big ones. Right off the bat is the Apex SM10 wheels, sitting on some Nito NT01s. They're 305, 35, 18 all the way around, so it's a square setup. We also have the Drake canards in the front from Holley Performance, and then we're also rocking the Z01 add-ons wicker bill gurney flap to try to help balance out that aero. So the car does have some thick fitment now. These tires are nice and meaty, 100 tread wear. These are Endurance 100 tires, so I'm hoping to get a lot of consistent laps out of these tires. The Goodyear Supercar 3 tire may be a faster tire, but it won't hold up consistently against these. And this car is primarily a track car for me, so I'm happy to see this car on a meaty, grippy set of tires like this, and I'm hoping to get some good lap times in. So I'm gonna try to mitigate that nausea. Got some motion sickness pills, and we're just gonna try to do our best out here. So we're here with Will. Marcel should be coming out later, and yeah, hopefully this is not gonna be the Wild West that they say it is. So we finished our first track session. It went really well. I did the whole session, no nausea. I did take some motion sickness pills, so that definitely helped. Wow, those cars are loud. So yeah, really good session. Really good session. It was a really good session the first time out. The car handled really well. The wheels and tire setup is amazing. I did get a little sideways towards the end, you know, manageable. But I was also over driving the corners too. So the car is doing really well, having a great time, and enjoying the races that are taking place in between our track events. So we're really pretty solid day so far. All right, guys, so we finished our sesh here with the SCCA track event. And number one, I'm happy I lasted every single sesh the full time. No nausea. I did take the motion sickness pills this time, but I did come in more hydrated, more prepped. I was ready to go. The car did absolutely phenomenal. I beat my PB by a little over 2 seconds. I'm in the 141 or 142 range, I think. I'm just at the 142 range. I definitely have some time left on the table still. This is my second time at the track here, but I'm really enjoying it. And this car is driving amazing. The NTO ones did really well. I did notice them get a little greasy towards like lap 10 or so, but I was probably over driving, to be fair. A lot of good times. We learned a lot more about this car. On E85, I'm going through about 6 to 8 gallons every 20-minute session. I guess it all depends on how much traffic I run into. No, but the car did great. The NTO ones are a great tire. A lot of people say the Goodyear Supercar 3 tire might be faster, maybe for one lap, but these tires are consistent, lap after lap after lap after lap. So I really enjoy them a lot. They're running around 36 PSI hot right now. But no, the car did great. Let's take a better look. NTO ones did phenomenally. I wanted to rotate the tires today, right before my second sesh, to split it half and half. But unfortunately my torque wrench broke. It stopped clicking, and I just didn't want to take the chance of rotating and not being able to torque them the right way. Even though other people probably had a torque wrench that I could have borrowed, I just decided to leave it on the car. So next session we go out, we'll go ahead and start with those rear tires in the front, or we'll cross rotate everything and we'll make it work. One of the benefits of having the square 305 setup is that we can cross rotate them. All right, well, that's it. We're gonna get the hell out of here for today. Great lapping session today. Got to drive my car on the edge of the limit this time around. I feel so much more comfortable with these tires. I did get sideways in a couple of turns due to over driving, but this car is so predictable, so easy to correct it. definitely one of the best out of the box track cars you can get.